There are several different types of mounts used on the canister depending on whether you have a 2 or a 4-wheel drive, US car, or ROW 997. This can be a pain to work on because of the very limited space, so take your time. The canister is located on the front left side of the vehicle by the luggage compartment and indicated by the red arrow. Depending on how your vehicle is optioned, you may have to remove the luggage compartment cover. For additional assistance with that task, please follow the link provided at the end of this video. With the panel off, unclip the electrical connector, blue arrow, and separate them. Next, use a T20 Torx and remove the 2 mounting screws that mount the lid to the frame, red arrows. Use your trim removal tool and pry the mounting bracket up and off of the lid, red arrow. You will now be able to move the canister around enough to get a small flathead screwdriver into the spaces and remove the clips holding the lid on, blue arrows. Use your trim removal tool and pry the lid off. Use a T20 Torx and remove the screws holding the valve and filter in place, red arrows. There is a screw on the side that you will remove once you have separated the hose, blue arrow. Remove the hose clamp and separate the hose from the valve-filter combo, red arrow. Lift the filter and valve out from the canister. The wiring is run through a grommet in the lid. Flip the lid over and you have access to both the valve, blue arrow, and the filter, red arrow. You can now separate them by simply pulling them apart, red arrow. Installation is the reverse of removal. Use care when working on the canister. The hoses enter through the bottom and there is very little room to work. There is a gasket there that is difficult to reposition if you move it. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and check out another video in this series.